How to change language on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change the language on Amazon. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd basically like to change the language on the Amazon app, normally what happens is that whenever you open the Amazon app, let's say it is something in the language that you don't really understand. So assuming that you don't understand the language, and I'm assuming that you do understand English. So if you're listening to me, what you can do from the Amazon app is, from the bottom you can see various icons. You can just see this middle bottom profile like icon. Just make sure to tap on that icon. When you tap on that icon, you might come to this page. Now in my case, I haven't logged in, so let me also just go ahead and log in very quickly here. Now after you are logged in, you're going to see this type of interface when you tap the profile icon. So from here, what you have to do is, if you look at the top of the screen on the right hand side, you'll find a little flag like icon there. All you have to do is tap on that flag and country like icon here, and then right here you will see this type of interface where it says country, region and language. So this above one is if you want to change the country, but if you want to change the language, just select this language option, and then you can set this to any of the other languages to change the language for yourself, and then just tap the done button if you would like to change it. This way you will be able to change language on Amazon. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.